that little one caused a little bit of worry yesterday. He spent the day at the hospital, and he is very lucky that he did not have to have abdominal surgery. He decided that he wanted to eat some towels. So anyways, we got them out. He has recovered, and he's very excited to be on a walk. So we now have strict eyes on him. We think it was when the farrier was here doing the horse's hooves. For some weird reason, dogs like the smell of feet and hooves. And we are guessing that he enjoyed the smell of those towels because he isn't usually one to eat fabric. And that is why he ate them. So anyways, we will never know what goes on inside a dog's mind, but we are here enjoying this another beautiful day. I am going to be working again on my assignment. I got halfway. It is not easy, and kudos to